Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best smartphone gadgets in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. WonderQ. Mobile Essentials in 1 cubic inch MFi Lightning Cable Keychain plus Micro USB Cable plus Charge plus Phone Stand plus OTG USB plus Science plus Emergency Charger plus Flash Memory plus LED Torch Kickstarter funded. Built-in Cable plus MFI Cable Certified plus Charge plus Phone Stand plus OTG USB plus Science plus Emergency Charger plus Flash Memory plus LED Torch. A cable you'll have with you all the time, no tangled cable. No mess. WonderQ features a fold-out flexible USB cord measuring 3 inches when extended. Neatly folded in just 1 inch, the cube is completely covered without any exposed contacts. It's incredibly durable and compact. A cable designed to be with you everywhere. Quick charge anywhere, anytime. Grab WonderQ to power it up on a trip, at a cafe, in car, at work, or anywhere on the go. The built-in gold-plated connectors ensure quick charging through any USB port to keep you connected. Stand, Portrait plus Landscape. Have a favorite TV show or FaceTime call that's too important to miss? We have you covered with WonderQ's innovative phone stand. Number 4. Imstick Innovative Magnetic Phone Stand Mount and Grip. 100 ways to use. Universal car mount, phone holder for airplane, stroller, gym, tablet kickstand, multifunctional phone magnet, silver. Your phone's best BDI. Imstick is a new generation flexible magnetic phone holder and adjustable phone stand. You can mount your phone anywhere you like. Imstick is the most versatile smartphone holder, mount, and stand which can be attached to any surface for a universal hands-free experience with your device. Imstick is essential on road trips, at business meetings, when you do sports or studying music. In all situations, you need your hands free and your phone at the same time. Univ Aerosol Theomini Holdier. Imstick magnetic phone holder offers more than 100 ways of use. Number 3. Omni 20 plus 20,000 mAh laptop power bank portable charger AC/DC/USB-C/wireless battery backup for laptops. MacBook Pro/Dell/Surface cameras. Canon/Nikon/DSLR/DJI drones smart devices. A phone/Samsung. Power hub for all your smart devices. From laptops to cameras, drones, and smartphones, OmniCharge can keep all your devices charged up. Compact and functional. Extensive features. All-in-one power solution with high-powered AC, USB-C PD for laptops, wireless charging, QC 3.0 USB-A, adjustable DC power, pass-through charging and solar charging, high-powered fast charging, 70 W 20,000 mAh battery capacity. Charge safe and fast with high charging efficiency. 100 watt AC and DC, 60 watt USB-C PD, powers most smart devices including MacBook Pro and Surface Pro. Carry less power more. Carry one cable to charge your laptop using USB-C or DC output while charging your TI-compatible smartphone wirelessly. Leave your bulky chargers at home. Number 2. HAVTT upgraded phone camera lens kit for iPhone 13 12/11/X/8/7 smartphones/Pixel/Samsung/Android phones camera. 2x tail lens, zoom lens plus fisheye lens plus super wide angle lens and macro lens plus CPL 5-in-1. Puro lens coil T materials for film and photo. Our engineers worked hard to come out with a perfect upgrade. Premium grade metal, not cheap plastic, multi-elements, multi-groups, not like other lenses with one group/one element, because we believe in quality, not quantity. For more videos, we multi-coated the lenses with premium optical glass to minimize reflections, ghosting, and other artifacts. And no more dark corners. Wide and macro attached now for perfect clarity. No more blurry pictures. Compatible CLF design. ANTI slip and ANTI SCRATH. Makes the clip firm and secure to your device while preventing scratches. Our clip is universal, which makes it compatible with most mobile phones. iPhones, any type, Samsung, any type, iPad, Google, etc. Number 1. DPSTCH wireless endoscope, IP67 waterproof Wi-Fi borescope inspection, 2.0 megapixels HD snake camera for Android and iOS smartphone, iPhone, iPad, Samsung Black 11.5 FT. Endoscope with wide compatibility. This wireless Wi-Fi endoscope can work with Android 5.0 plus smartphone and iPhone with iOS 9 plus system. Armed with 11.5 feet bendable, semi-rigid snake cable, can extend to all corner of your house. Perfect for iPhone user who want do inspection work. Wi-Fi connection, easy to use. Download and install the compatible app on your device. No need extra adapter or cable, just connect with your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Then start the app to begin your inspection. HD inspection camera. 2.0 MP Borescope offers you a wonderful experience of capturing a clear close-range HD video in MP4 format and image in JPG format with adjustable resolutions 640 x 480, 1280 x 720, 1600 x 1200, and 1920 x 1080.